Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Bird is a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird.
Don't remember.
Bob, you all right? Are you nervous? Rob, you okay?
Oh my God! 5,000! 4,000! 3,000! Captain, we're going down! Come on, Bessie, you can do it! Take me out to the slaughter. Take me out for some gore. He's not black, he's not yellow, he's not red. Well, schnuckadoodles, we're running out of colors.
All right, guys, no more screwing around. My wife's here. Let's be serious about this.
My daddy's in jail for bad touching with a goat.
This room meeting's at. This room the AA meeting's at.
Why? Would you like to join?
No, I want to resign.
Fine, I'm just here to talk about the Church of the Latter-day Saints. I'd like to start by saying a long time ago, in a galaxy far, far away.
Okay, well, he is the pastor of the church, and he is retiring after... You don't have to keep doing that.
What is he doing?
He's retiring, and then after 39 years. And...
Quitter!
You get a planet, you get a planet, you get a planet. Everybody gets a planet.
Will you people tell me what the hell you're talking about? You ever hear of the Donner Party of 1847?
Or the Uruguayan rugby team that crashed down in the Andes?
You don't mean... Yes!
Cannibalism!
Me uga! Deskrog!
Hey.
Hey, look at those baby bears go! I think we got a chance! Oh my God! Oh my gosh! Oh my God! I never thought I'd have a chance to sing in my lifetime! But Minimier Cy Winkett! Minimier Cy Winkett! He's hitting the putter, folks! He's going for it all! Shh! Oh, a lady! I got you, baby! Hold on! Get up!
Hi there, Jenny. She's videoing tonight.
Yeah,
Everybody say Jenny!
you know, one thing though, I do need a white balance. It's the colors are off.
Before the show?
Yeah.
For those guys who don't know, for white balance, before you videotape, you hold a big white, usually it's a sheet of paper, so you get the colors corrected in the right colors. So,
John, I got this.
we need a big white...
1,500 all this is it, Captain! One thing before we die, Ace!
What's that deuce?
I love you. I've always loved you.
I know. I've always known. Nice little place you two kids got here. It would be a shame if anything was to happen to it. Or to you.
I'm bored!
Get your hands off me, you damn dirty apes!
Okay! We can go!
Let's launch this Titleist back to Never Neverland. Hand me my,
Your putter, Ace?
No, I gotta clear that bunker over there. How about the,
Well, how about your putter then?
No, that's not enough club. I'm gonna need something with real power. The putter.
There's Trigger.
Hey, my shirt hasn't been laundered. What is the deal?
We'll look at
I
it,
need
Mr.
to
Trigg.
talk to
Mr. Trigg,
somebody.
calm down. We'll look at it.
Oh, what? Your shirt hasn't been laundered?
My shirt has not been laundered.
Mr. Trigg, we're gonna get that laundered for you.
I can't work
Mr.
under
Trigg,
these conditions.
We're gonna
You
please.
know I have a
I know.
obituary problem and
I
I,
know.
sweat a lot. This
We're gonna
is
take care of it.
bullshit.
We're gonna take
This
care of
is
it.
crap.
We're gonna take care of it. Somebody get his shirt washed. Jesus.